Hello, this is a quick video to show how to split layer in After Effects. I have an MPEG-4 video file, which is a 3D animation created by Blender 3D software. I click and drag this MPEG-4 file into After Effects. So we have a footage in After Effects. I click and drag into the layer. We have a layer in the composition. If we want to split the layer, we can move the current time indicator. I move it to 4th second, and then we can go to Edit, Split Layer. We can use shortcut Ctrl+Shift-D to split the layer. I click it. So the layer is split into 2 layers. Same thing if we move the time indicator to 6th second, we can press shortcut Ctrl+Shift-D to split it. This is how we can split layer in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Martin Smith. See you in the next video. Bye bye.